Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete search history on Google Maps. So guys, let's continue into Google Maps. And then click on the profile icon in the right side of corner. Then click on settings. Now click on Maps history. Now tap on delete. Now choose the duration you want to select, and the duration is like you can delete today, or you can delete custom range, or you can delete all time. So I am choosing delete all time, and then tap on delete. And guys, as you can see, the search history has been deleted. So guys, that's how you can delete your search history on Google Maps very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.